In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Figma file. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening Figma in your web browser and arriving at the Figma homepage. If you're not already signed in, look for the Log In button near the top of the page and click it. This will bring up the sign-in options. For most people using a Google account, clicking Continue with Google is the quickest way to authenticate. Follow the prompts to choose your Google account and grant access. Once you're signed in, you'll be returned to your Figma workspace. Now that you're signed in, locate the file you want to duplicate. You can find it in Recents, in a specific project or team space, or by using the search box to type the file name. When you see the file thumbnail that you want to copy, position your cursor over it and right-click to reveal the contextual menu. Take a moment to confirm that you're selecting the correct file. The thumbnail will show a small preview, and the title underneath helps identify it. In that contextual menu, choose Duplicate. Clicking Duplicate immediately makes a copy of the selected file in your Figma account. Depending on the original file's location and sharing settings, the duplicate will typically land in your drafts or within the same team space if you have that level of access. The new file will usually appear with the same name plus the word Copy, so you can pick it out quickly. After duplicating, give the copy a moment to appear in your file list. If you don't see it right away, refresh the view or check your drafts folder. If the duplicate option is missing, it likely means you don't have permission to duplicate that file, in which case you'll need to request access from the file owner. A few quick tips. Duplicating is a safe way to experiment without changing the original, so use it whenever you want to try a redesign or create multiple variations. Once the file is duplicated, organize it by renaming it and moving it into the appropriate project or team folder so it's easy to find later. If you prefer keyboard-driven workflows, keep in mind there are shortcuts in Figma for navigation, though the basic right-click and duplicate approach works across browsers and accounts. That's all there is to it. You'll now have a copy you can edit freely without affecting the original. If this helped, please subscribe and like the video for more quick Figma tips.